Step inside, go behind the scenes, discover what drives American Key Supply.
Step by step, piece by piece, piece by piece, piece by piece.
At first glance, it may just look like keys, pins, and parts, but behind every core is precision, organization, and experience. Every order starts long before it reaches a customer. In this department, attention to detail isn't optional, it's the standard. Small components, tight tolerances, no room for shortcuts. Thousands of pieces move through these hands every day. Some jobs are measured in speed, others are measured in precision. This one demands both. Every pin, every spring, every core has to come together exactly right.
Grab your individual core, make sure that the chambers are all pushed down. You want to line it up into the holder. Grab a handful of springs and you want to go ahead and load each individual spring into the chambers. So for a 6-pin, you drop in 6 springs. Go ahead and pre-press down those springs. Bring it up. Now you want to load in the capping strip. You'll feel it grab onto a tiny little lip in the inside. You know you're seated properly. And you want to go ahead and push and hold down for a second. And you want to go ahead and release. And take a look at your perfectly capped core.
Accuracy here doesn't just save time, it builds trust.
So how do you know how much you're cutting on each?
You have a code.
It's the bitting. So every key has a bitting. It's the sequence of numbers, whether it's a 6 or 7 pin. If it's a 6 pin, it'll have 6 cuts. If it's a 7 pin, it'll have 7 cuts. So we use those numbers, and that's what he's
Watching
changing.
on here?
Yep.
Ah,
So
okay.
this is the first cut. This is the second cut. This is the third cut. So he lines up where the key is going to be. Like he's going to make his first cut here. And
And this
then
is
he uses this gauge to go to the actual
The
number,
depth.
the cut. Yep.
That's the depth. So this is the cut on the key, 1, 2, 3,
Yep.
and then this is the depth of it.
Yep.
Okay.
And so the only thing important to know when selling it is that they have to have the appropriate code card
Okay.
for the type of key that they're cutting. And once they have that, they just slide that in there, and that is what lines up your key cut. So, because every key is going to be different.
Okay.
So yeah, one is the key position and then the depth.
While the workbench keeps moving, so do the conversations.
And I want you just to teach them how to do it.
Okay.
And you video that.
On that little
You
groove.
kind of want to hold it first,
Okay.
and then push this up to line it right there. Yep.
Okay.
And then lock it in.
Like that?
Yep. Push that down.
Push what now?
That.
This?
Yep.
Oh, that's just to help you when you
Yeah.
put it up there?
Line it up.
Okay.
And then you want to go to the first number.
Take this all the way to 1.
Yep.
Can you turn this on?
Yep.
Okay.
And then you want to hold just kind of hold it.
Okay.
This one is going to be the depth of the cut.
I'm just going to push till it gets to 1.
Yeah.
Okay. Like that?
Yep.
And now what?
Turn it back.
This way?
Yep.
Okay.
And
And
then
then turn this into 2,
right.
and then turn this into 6.
Yep.
Okay. Like that.
Mm-hmm.
Turn this to 3. Turn it to 7. Now you just
Clean the shavings off. You can see it on the other side.
okay.
Yep.
So now it should work. If I did it right. Hey,
It works.
it works. Hey.
Questions, troubleshooting, product knowledge, experience matters just as much as inventory. Sometimes the job is solving a problem before the customer even realizes there is one. This department doesn't just move product, it helps locksmiths find solutions.
5 keys. I've got 6 masters, 1 control, and then 6 and 6 for 2 of your operators, and 3 and 3 for the other 2.
Yeah.
You got it. Okay. So you are. Let's see if this qualifies you. Okay, so I still have the FedEx overnight at 20, or I have USPS at $6.83.
Let's put a $6.20. Tell me how much is that?
You are looking at a total of $153.68.
14 cores. I want to start at number 16 because I got all the way up to 15.
Okay.
I want them all on the same master and control that's on this project.
Okay.
I want to have them all different cores. All of them to have different operators.
Okay. And how many
And I
keys?
need 5 keys per operator, per core.
And then how many master keys and how many control?
He did not say any master or any control because we've already got some from this project.
Okay.
But I want all of the cores engraved, and I also want all the keys engraved.
Okay, and then is this an A6 system?
Yeah.
Okay. So yeah, for a core, so our cores are $18 each, and then the keys are $2 each. So if you'd like, I can put that quote together for you and send it over in an email. Okay, give me just a few minutes, and I'll put this together over for you, and I'll send it over shortly.
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome. Bye-bye.
All right. Bye-bye.
One of the best ways to understand the work is to try it for yourself. Precision takes practice. The smallest mistake can change everything. Watching the process is one thing. Doing it yourself is another. Okay, today we're in IC Core's department here with David. He's going to teach me how to read a bidding sheet and cut the keys and keep everything nice and organized as if I worked here in IC Core's. So let's learn.
So first thing first is you're going to want to organize your board. So you want to go ahead and write down the keys that you're going to be cutting today. So first we're going to start with operators 1 through 4. So just mark down 1 through 4 on your key tray.
1, 2, 3, 4. Okay.
All right, so first thing you want to do is grab your first key.
Okay.
You want to make sure that your key punch has this tilted to the right. When you have it tilted like this, you're locking the key into place. So this is open and you're able to slide the key in there. You want to follow the ridge right here into this little...
Straight in like this?
Yeah, just like that. You'll feel it grab onto it just like that.
Yeah.
Give it a little wiggle to the side, make sure it doesn't come out. Yep, now tilt that. There you go, just like that. So when you're coming to the bidding chart, what you want to do is you're going to start up here and we cut all of our keys tip to bow.
Okay.
So on here, you want to adjust this. And now the big thing is your first punch doesn't do anything.
Okay.
That sets it into place.
Okay, got
So
it.
then you come down for your second punch. And if you're ever unsure, you can just pull it back out and you'll know that you're
So
zeroed
that just
again.
undid what you just did.
Exactly.
So you just do it again. And then, so that just locks it in.
Yep. Now,
Correct.
now this is going to be your actual
I'm
punch.
on 2, so
You're
I
on
want to
2.
go ahead and punch that, correct?
Yep. Just like that. Now you
Okay.
want to slide the dial down to the next digit on there.
1,
Just
Okay.
like that. Yep.
and punch.
Now the next digit.
Is 1 again, it's
Yep.
the same. And then to 6.
Just like that.
That's 6, right?
Just like that. Yeah, right there.
Oh,
Yeah, you want to give it a good smooth motion when you're cutting the higher numbers.
yeah, you didn't warn me that I was going to do that.
And give it a good
How do I know if
wham.
I'm on an 8 or not?
Like that. The top,
The top
very
is 9.
top is 9. Yeah. There you go. Yeah, just like that.
And then 4.
There you go. So what you do is you pull it out
Pull it
towards
out.
you, tilt it to the right, to disengage it. Now you can pull it out.
And there we go.
There you go, just like that.
Okay, key number 3. Number 4, we're going to learn something new.
Number 4, we're going to teach you something. So what I want you to do is go ahead and load it like normal,
Okay.
but rather than a 4-2-1, cut a 3-1-1.
3, 1, 1.
Yeah.
Okay.
And that's why I'm confused because when you said.
I'm forcing you to make a mistake on the key, but we're also just going to show you how you can fix a simple mistake like that.
There we go. Wouldn't go on that. Okay. So we're going to start with 3, 1, 1. You said.
Mhm.
3,
No, that's what I asked him. I'm like, did you refresh? And then I was like, try signing out and signing back.
All right, so in this situation, the most common time for this to happen is just because you went down a digit too much when you're cutting the key.
Sure.
So what I was telling you before is you can pull it back out, reset it, and now you can run through it with the actual numbers, and you'll cut it down to the proper depth. So you didn't break the key, you just undercut those cuts. So yeah, you can go ahead and salvage
So you can
the
fix
key.
it if it's undercut but not overcut.
Exactly.
Ah, okay. So now we're going to go to 4. Oh, I have to put it back in. All right.
Yep.
Make sure it's there. So it's 4, 2, 1, 6, 8, 4, 6, 8, 4. Booyah. And there it is. Key number 4. And that's all she wrote.
That's all she wrote.
Hey,
and then,
that
of
was
course, the next step would be if they ask for engraving, take it over to engraving and put all that marking on there, like these, the door numbers and stuff. But for the most part, you'd cut the keys, you'd be finished up, and then you'd put them in a core of the test.
That's really cool. It just punches it rather than
It's the
cutting.
funner part of the job,
Yeah.
that's for sure. That's
That's
definitely
cool.
the funner part.
Hey, thank you, David. I appreciate
Of course.
it. Every experienced technician started the same way, learning piece by piece. This is the kind of work that only gets better with repetition, patience, and experience. At American Key Supply, the IC Cores department helps fulfill orders, preparing every core, every key, and every necessary part for each individual job. From pinning cores to engraving, the IC Cores department handles it all.
I wonder how our ballpark install went. We did a ball. We just rekeyed a ballpark. Can't remember where, what city, what state. But yeah, we've been doing schools, police stations, fire departments. We did Yosemite, all the cabins at Yosemite.
Most customers only see the finished product, but this is the work behind it. This is what keeps everything moving.
It was 9 cores and 15 keys, but the order that we produced for you was a G keyway, 6-pin, 626 finish. That was 2 cores pinned alike, 3 cores pinned alike, and 4. And we added changes or operator BB4, BB5, and BB6. Those are the keys you want.
That is.
Yep, so it's going to be a G keyway.
Okay.
Okay, so we're going to change up that order a little bit. So I am giving you 5 operators, 5 G operators for BB4, 5, and 6, and then 10 G blanks.
Yep.
All right.
I have to charge her for 5 more keys because I only charged her for the.
So I'll have 15 keys.
Yeah, I charged her for 10.
And then 10.
Altogether 25, and then 10 blanks.
You got it. Yep.
Okay.
All right, we'll go ahead and get these cut for you.
And then, can you send me that bidding part with
Yep.
the update on it?
We sure will.
So that's what we have lost.
Well, I promise
we
you.
didn't have that.
I promise you. After today, you will have cut keys and a bidding chart.
Thank you so much.
You got it. Thanks for the order. We'll talk.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
One department, one process, one piece of a much larger machine. And piece by piece, it all comes together. And that's what makes it work.